to Let's Build, and I'm back with Surf Carbon 12, and yeah, last episode we built the Thing of Things. It was very successful in my opinion, and do not go to that thing.
What thing?
To the Thing of Things.
Why?
Because it's the Thing of Things. And to this I'm going to build something over in this little, I might build a trap. A very non-effective trap, which very sucks a lot. No, probably not. I'll probably just, I will make a nether portal, no. What should I make?
And right outside the things of things, I'm going to build another little house out the back.
Do you mean adding onto your house?
Yep.
I'm going to make a melon house.
Go make a melon house then.
Over here in the desert.
Go ahead.
You should come visit me sometime in my melon house.
Yep.
Whenever I get hungry, I can just knock down my walls. Because, you know, it's made out of melons.
Yeah, made out of fruit.
Hopefully you can place water in the next update, like on creative. Because then I could do a lot more things. Yeah, like lava as well. Because then I could make a lot more things in this series.
Look what I'm doing.
Huh? Call me the Doctor. Did I even do an introduction?
No.
Okay. Yes, I did.
Oh, you did. My bad.
Didn't you notice anything strange about your windows?
Yes, I noticed something strange about my windows.
What?
There's watermelons there. There's watermelons in my front of my window.
So what's up with that girl, Michelle? By that I mean your mother. That you keep texting on. What's it called? On iMessage.
It's just a friend.
Is your mum? Hey, I see a piece of coal. In the next episode, you're gonna be helping me with something, by the way.
Okay, what is that?
Something that we will decide after this episode. By the way, you should be timing. We sorted that out, remember? Your timing. So anyway, guys, if you have anything helpful that I could build, well, not helpful, but suggestions that what I could build, I will take them under consideration. But these
we'll
are
take some votes. See what we can build.
You're stupid.
What?
Can I put doors on melons?
I don't think so.
If I can, that'll be the bomb diggity. I put it in front of me. Oh yeah, this is awesome, and I put it in the wrong spot. Damn it. That's always what I do.
Look where your sign is.
What?
Come and have a look.
Did you mess with the...
No, come and have a look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it?
The Thing of Things.
Can you see the sign?
Yeah, I saw it. I just flew over.
It's got one grass patch in the middle.
I know.
Rocks.
It's the best, eh?
Yeah.
It's the best. This is the best. That sounds so cool. Yeah, so everyone like it in my melon house. So, it's cold here. Do you have anything to talk about? I'm completely stopped, like, can't think of anything to say.
I got nothing else to say either. I'm just speechless. Yeah.
Yeah, I honestly, we honestly should have, thought about something to say. What about, how's your day, buddy?
Good, actually. I went some shopping. Yay.
Cool. Oh, wait, no, shopping's boring, though.
No.
What did you buy?
New Will.i.am's album? Yeah.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
He's an alright artist.
Yeah.
Do you know who sucks?
Oh.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Stop talking like that.
What? He does.
Yes, but stop talking like that. Justin Bieber's cool. Just joking.
In your point of view, yes.
No, he's not cool in my point of view. I was joking there. You should know me by now. How long have you known me?
For your whole life.
Exactly. Except I haven't known you my whole life because I can only remember a few things. Because I was a baby when I first met you. So yeah.
So yeah, that's a good idea. There.
This episode will be done soon because I'm nearly done with the House of Melons.
And I'm then done with the house in the backyard.
You disconnected again. Well, for the first time. You think this is on creative so you don't lose any stuff. Hey.
I'm disconnected though.
Huh?
I'm disconnected.
Yeah, just join back in. Oh, I suck at placing glass.
Sorry guys, I just had technical difficulty.
I actually don't think they can hear you. I think I need to get closer. And that's not a turn on.
Oh no!
Don't put
Don't
your
take it don't take it the wrong way.
Yeah, don't take it the wrong way. I don't like you like that. You're too ugly.
Oh!
Oh, served.
You want
Anyway,
some ice on that, Baron?
you ruined it. I'm sorry, but you ruined it.
Stop.
Oh, he's back, everyone. The king is. Oh, I put it in the wrong place. Come have a look where I put it.
The what?
The sign. I was trying to make a couch, and I pressed W. It's the W chair. Do the W
It's
chair.
the Will I Am chair.
No, it's. I just crashed. Sorry about that, guys. That crashed.
What? So you logged out?
Yeah, right. Yeah, so that's it for this